Ready? Okay, hi Nevada. It's Dad, how are ya? Hope your teaching is going okay. I'm going to show you the 8-track collection that I started a couple years ago. So here is what 8-track tapes look like. And we've got about 150 of them. And I'm sure your students know what they kind of look like and that thing. These are old rock and roll ones from the 70s and 80s. And I have a few country and western ones. And over here is a stereo we bought. Now this is about a 1960s or 70s. It doesn't have vacuum tubes in it, but it's the first stereo that has transistors in it, which were invented early 70s, I think. You'll have to check on that. This stereo came with a record player and a radio. It's called a Fleetwoods. So it plays records, has a radio, and the 8-track portion is an add-on, and it looks like this. And some cars back in the 70s had 8-track players under the dash to play them. So 8-track, if you do some research on them, there's 4 tracks on them, and each track has about 3 or 4 songs on it. And inside this plastic box, there's about 50 meters of magnetic tape that records the sound. And it's an endless tape. And for fun, if you take one apart, they're lots of fun because you'll have tape all over the place. So I'm going to plug it in, and you'll see it snaps in pretty hard, kind of like putting bread in a toaster. And you can see here we're on track number 1, if you can see that. And you can jump from tracks, track 1, track 2, track 3, and track 4. And that's basically how it works. And when one track runs out, the 4 songs are done, it will automatically shift to the next track. So now we're on track 4. It will shift over to track 1 and start over. And it just keeps running and running and running forever. And there's not many 8-tracks around anymore. Like I said, I have about 150, and they're just fun to listen to. So this is our stereo, and this is the old 8-track stuff. And if you got any questions about other stuff, I could do a short video and take one apart for you to show you what's inside, and you let me know if that would be something you would want to know. Okay? I hope that's enough. So we'll talk to you soon, and good luck with your teaching.